Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Modelers Club. We're going to take up the Tower Hobbies DHC 2 Beaver, Haviland Beaver. It's the Island Wings edition. It was just released a few weeks ago on the Tower Hobbies site. I want to say she's $249. She comes with floats. The floats are painted to match the silver of the plane. I've only flown her one other time, and it was a really dark, cloudy, cold maiden, so really didn't get to see it all that well and see how she, but today of course is kind of a crossbreed, but you know, hey, if I wait for a perfect day, then you'll never fly. So well, anyways, let's take her up and have some fun with her. She's got lights and flaps and just a beautiful scale bird, and she's a bottom loader, which I know a lot of people don't like, but that's the way the mold is. Right, left, up, down, right, left. My rates are 100% throws over 30% expo all the way around. So let me get over here next to my camera baby. Running a 2700 Hobby Star 3S. All right. She tracks real well, but she is a tail dragger, so you're going to want to kind of land at a 3-point landing, kind of let your tail act as a tail hook, so to speak, and help negate some of that bounce. We'll also do grass hops today too. All right, here we go. Let that tail get up. Now she's not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. I got to hold a little bit of right rudder in. What's that beeping sound? Huh?
Battery's charging behind us.
Oh, battery. Oh, yeah. That's there's a battery charger at our clubhouse here, and it was just going off. I'm like, uh-oh, what's that beeping sound? But yeah, with that wind, having to hold a little bit of rudder in, keep her straight. But if you're looking for just a nice, lazy Sunday flyer that scale and looks good, then the Beaver is definitely a good choice for that. Oh, whoa! See, I didn't do that 3-point landing like I should have. Of course, I'm fighting with that cross breeze. I know, excuses, right? Why don't we turn towards the wind, and we'll take off towards the wind there. All right, we're going to put takeoff flaps in. And she just lifts right off. And we'll turn around. And we'll land on that grass. All right. Let me bring her back closer to us. Get her back on the runway.
3 minutes.
There's just a little bit of enough of a wind to make it a little annoying. All right, here we go. No flaps. All right, we're going to turn back towards the clubhouse now. All right. You might work a little bit of rudder in your turn too. All right. Take off again, no flaps. Trying to hit any birds. There's birds everywhere. Oh, we're going to bring her by.
Landing flaps.
Flaps are all the way down. I'm going to bring her by close and slow. Very quiet. Take her back out here. A little bit better of a landing that time. All right, we're going to actually do takeoff flaps this time.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps.
All right. Oh boy, the birds, man. There we go. All right, we're going to take off again and see if we can't, see what kind of roll rate the plane has. I don't predict much of a roll rate. All right, not too bad. Let's do a big loop. A little tight loop. I'm sorry, I'm so far away, I know. Good flying plane though. She's not super agile. Those birds are like, that's the devil. It's flying without flapping its wings. That's Satan.
Landing flaps.
All right.
1 minute.
I do suggest if you get this plane to set your travel on your elevator to 150% because the elevator seems to be a little bit anemic. All right. Tried to turn too soon. All right, we still got about a minute. We're going to take off one more time. She does like her rudder. A little bit of a knife edge here. She's still holding it, holding it, holding it. Not bad.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
A little accidental touch and go.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, see, I didn't do the
10.
Didn't do the 3-point landing, so that's why I had that bounce. Let's try that one more time.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yeah, I know, time's expired. Fun's over with. Didn't have enough speed to do it. Oh well, no harm.
Flaps up.
All right, and what do you want to hear?
Props secured.
Props secured. All right, we were 16 seconds over on a 5-minute timer. Okay, and like I said, she is a bottom loader. That flap there, you pull that little hatch off. Leave that little, this dam, this big triangular structure, leave it on there. because that's what holds your battery in place. You don't have to use any Velcro or anything if you don't want to, because the way the battery slides in at an angle in there, like that, that dam will hold it in place. So, let me see if I can get her, try to hold this and unplug the battery at the same time. All right. She does come with an EC3 connector, so if you've got XT60 batteries, you'll need an adapter. Okay. %. So you could easily fly for seven, maybe 8 minutes with throttle management. So, very efficient plane. Runs on it. Now that's on a 2700. If you put a 2200 in here, I set my timer for 5 minutes and leave it alone. But like I say, she's a bottom loader, full of scale fidelity. It's got the Lady Esther insignia on there. She runs these planes in real life as you see it. She's got a 1.5 meter wingspan. She's got lights. She got a tail light. She got the strobe light on top. She's got the nav lights on either end and the landing light here. Very well designed plane. I wish it was a top loader, but then again, hey, you know, can't have everything. But this is the tires are kind of hard, but they give just enough give. And the plane does have some peculiarities on putting it together. It's the foamies of 10 years ago, not the more modern day foamies as far as putting together. You have to pay attention on putting it together. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That is the Tower Hobbies, formerly Fly Zone, DHC2 Beaver Island Wings Edition. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all, and don't forget, stay family and friends, and then airplanes. Bye-bye.